Okay, so Access Tools calls for you to use the S-hook. Since we can't go through the driver's side with the Lishi, with the handle being broken, that's why the picture's that way. Notice when I go to put this in, the seal wants to move. Depending on which one you have, you'll get these. Go ahead and take them, slide them both in at the same time, and you hear it drop in between the both seals. I'll put your wedge in there. I'm gonna turn around, put the tool in. Some go to the back, some go to the front. I like going to the front. Notice the button, how it's bouncing now. Grab it, lift up. There you go. Didn't want to open? Give it a tug while you open the door. Turn the tool back towards the front. And there you go. Easy peasy. Alright, thanks again for watching. If you would, hit that subscribe button and comment down below if this helped you out. We're going to be posting stuff weekly on the channel.